All right, I feel like I gotta do a video on this. Let me check my sound levels real quick. It's not a long article. It's breaking, like just happened, and I didn't want to use New York Post as a source, but it's one of the only news outlets I see that's reported on it so far. It came out like 15 minutes ago, but this is not a drill, not a joke. And why I said it yesterday. I got my head on right. Donald Trump is the enemy. He is a fucking terrorist and has to go. Like people think he's cool because he had one fucking normal meeting out of thousands of meetings. No, he ain't good. This guy's a criminal, and he's gonna fuck this country up. Okay, here you go. The Department of Defense opens a misconduct probe into Mark Kelly after Trump accused him of sedition. Senator Mark Kelly, a sitting U.S. senator, they might court-martial this man. This is not a drill, not a joke. The Department of War opened a probe into serious allegations of misconduct against Senator Mark Kelly that could result in court-martial proceedings just days after Trump accused him of seditious behavior, which he didn't commit. All he did was make a fucking ad saying you must refuse illegal orders, which has been the precedent from the beginning. How is that controversial? And like people act like that ad is somehow like weird. Like sure, it's never been done before, but maybe it should have. Maybe service members should have been reminded that sitting lawmakers do have their back in case they get mixed up in some shit, or they feel like their morality is being compromised and they're following unlawful orders. And, there's lawyers and things for that, but they've been fired and sidelined too. So the Department of Defense is in shambles, just like the Department of Justice and every other department. This asshole, this idiot, this moron. Without providing details of what offenses Mark Kelly, a retired Navy captain, is accused of committing, the Department of Defense vowed to conduct a thorough review. So they haven't even accused him of anything. They just love the headlines. This is a fucking clown show. Am I worried that they will be able to successfully prosecute? No. But I'm a little more worried because if it's a military court martial, that's a little. I don't know. It's just a little different. This matter will be handled in compliance with military law and ensuring due process and impartiality, the Department of Defense said. All service members are reminded that they have a legal obligation under the USCMJ to obey lawful orders and that orders are presumed to be... Okay, that's a weird thing. That orders are presumed... No, they're not. Like, I'm sure... Maybe most soldiers do presume that they are law, but a lot of them, the thoughtful ones, are going to consult with a lawyer and see if it's lawful because they don't want to go to fucking prison one day. Like, this shit is crazy. Presumed to be lawful. I just don't like that wording. It's like, yeah, it's lawful because it's the president giving it. It's not how that works. What if the president says kill a U.S. citizen? Is that a lawful order? A service member's personal philosophy does not justify or excuse his disobedience of an otherwise lawful order. But you gotta prove the order's lawful, asshole. It's not. You can't just say an order is lawful. Like, this is such a joke, or I would say organization. It is. It's not even It's not a administration. It's not even a regime. It's a fucking criminal enterprise. It's a criminal organ, just like Trump University, Trump Steaks, Trump Water, Trump Air, Trump Freight, Trump whatever. The fucking Trump organization is all fucking fraud. There you go. This is the official statement. The Department of War, I'll call it that just one time. The Department of War has received serious allegations of misconduct against Captain Mark Kelly. In accordance with the Uniform Code of Military Justice and other applicable regulations, a thorough review of these allegations, blah, blah, blah. Kelly was one of 6 Democrat veterans who drew Trump's wrath last week for imploring service members to refuse legal orders. And I'm sure he's going to try this against other people, too. I think actually they were all service members in that video. But Slotkins was CIA. But I don't know, man. I don't know what the fuck's going to happen. He's got his boy at the CIA, too, Ratcliffe. I don't know what they're going to do. Maybe might fuck these people up. But, yeah, I'm distressed by this. Because these are good people, those lawmakers. They never hurt any fucking body. If they was looking out for the best, look out for the fucking country. And, the fact that they made that video is ultra concerning because they know things that we don't, and they know this guy is dangerous, man. He's got to go. He's got to be staying there for 10 months. When's something gonna shake up? These guys are a problem.